Hey there, are you tired of dealing with embarrassing toenail fungus that just won't go away? Let me introduce you to Fungus Break Pro, the natural solution that works from the inside out to help you eliminate toenail fungus for good. What makes Fungus Break Pro so special? It uses Plaster Break Complex, a unique technology that breaks through the fungus's protective layer, reaching deep to kill the infection at its root. And guess what? It's made with powerful natural ingredients like tea tree oil, oregano oil, menthol, and immune-boosting probiotics like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. Plus, it includes vitamin D to strengthen your nails and keep them healthy and clear. With Fungus Break Pro, you'll get clearer, smoother, and stronger nails, protection against future infections, a safe, chemical-free formula that's easy to use, just 2 drops a day directly on your nails. And best of all, a 60-day money-back guarantee. That's right, no risk at all. Thousands of people are already seeing real results. Healthier nails, no more yellowing or thickening, and confidence to show off their feet again. So, who is Fungus Break Pro for? It's perfect for any adult struggling with nail fungus, athlete's foot, or anyone who wants a natural, effective remedy without harsh treatments. Quick heads up, Fungus Break Pro is only available on its official website, not on Amazon or in stores, to guarantee quality and authenticity. Choose your bundle. 2 bottles for a 60-day supply, 3 bottles for 90 days, or get the best value with 6 bottles. Plus, big discounts and free shipping. Don't wait. Click the link below, claim your discount, and start your journey to clear, healthy nails, naturally and safely, with Fungus Break Pro.